Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today's video is gonna be definitely a mining video. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go after that Ethereum proof of work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you in this video how easy to build the wallet and also how to mine it. So we're gonna go two video one, and I'll see you guys after the regular intro. Yes, I'm doing the intro this time. All right, guys. So you can see me this way. So that's how I gotta set up the camera. And that good stuff. So you can see my side. Yeah, I can see it. How about you guys want to mine? Obviously, we lose money everywhere, so I'm just gonna do a random video about any coin. And because this is the new boy of the road, so we're gonna work to that. I'm gonna show you how to mine it from download everything all the way to the zero. This is if you don't like to see longer video, say this. It's gonna be a long video. Talk about 17 to 20 minutes. Right? So we have said that. We go into this now. All right, first, go on what to mine, see what we got it. And got this over here, and we can see what is already on the network and what is making money, what's not making money. The only thing is making money is that jamming S4. So right now it's making 33 cents on the 24-hour profit, and that's a mine. That's a ace, sorry. All right, so without ado, don't matter about that. We're gonna mine this with regular graphic app. So that's what I'm gonna show you first. We're going to the website, Ethereum RG. So it's gonna take you to this website. And from this website, if you click on it, it's gonna take you to this. Now, with the problem with this is it's not show you anywhere how to doing these type of mining and stuff. Right? So also not show you how to do the wallet. So the wallet is very simple thing. You just need to have MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask, I recommend starting a video how to set up one over the internet. I probably will do one for me too, so that way I can refer people in the future if they got that problem too. All right. So first of all is you go to your MetaMask. So it's gonna be something like this right here. This right here. Okay. And you go right here to your account, and this is what you're gonna see now. Then you go right here and you see this right at the bottom, add network. You click add the network right here. I'm gonna ask you a whole bunch of questions right here. This work not only for Ethereum, but for a lot of coin, for a lot of coins running on the Ethereum network. Now, have you ever seen? I get this from this link that was from what to mine to miner. So we get information how to. Sorry, that's not how I get the information for the miner. Sorry, that's what we're gonna go and mine. I get the information. But I was. I'm just gonna pause this for a second. All right, so I was in the right place. It wasn't to mining. So they the one show you how to do it. It's very simple. Only thing we need, you go to miner. I'm gonna leave in this in the description if you need it. And we only need this information right here. So only thing you gotta do is network name. Sorry for the noise. You know, always somebody doing it. They think when you're doing a recording a video. That's not it. Sorry. That's what it is. All right. So first thing is network name. So we're gonna copy this, and what we're gonna do is we just paste this over here. Then you copy all these right here, and that's gonna ask you for new recipe. So that's the only part you're gonna copy. Go right here, and you paste that over there. So it's gonna tell you. So we make something over here. Nope. And then we move to the next one. The main Ethereum mainnet. No, and we need the chain ID. It's 10001. Okay, so just move it in G, and that's it. Then it's gonna ask you what the symbol of the coin is. This one right here. We go back in it, and we put this right here. Open that. Then it's gonna ask you for the block explorer. Copy this. Say it's optional, but sometimes it's good to put in it. Okay, so we got it. So right here, I look like we got some issue with this right here. OGG. Yeah, that's exactly what I did. Okay, let's try one more time. Copy that over there. So this will work just out of the box. Okay. Oh, sorry. It said this URL is currently used. I already created mine, but in your is when I'm supposed to say something like that. You're gonna have everything, and then the save button, it will be allow you automatically to entry, and you should be able to create your wallet. I don't forget about that. My bad. Um, After you do that, you're gonna have something, and it'll be, let's go back to my MetaMask. It'll be something like this. It's gonna come out like that. Then if you go right here to buy, swap, sending activity, it's in it. That's awesome. So click on it. We don't have anything in it. And buy, swap, sending. Oh, this is the main name. Okay. So right here is your wallet. Click on it. Copy. That's what we need for now. So we're gonna minimize this. Then we're gonna go to this right here. Mine it. That's how we get that from to mine. Now I'm gonna use the main name they created for this. So to make it easy on everybody, you can go right here and click on this one. After you click on this, it's gonna take you to this website, and then you can click on this one, and then it's gonna take you to this miner. Okay. So the reason I'm using this is because the easy way to explain in a quick way from my video. But you can still do the pool. Now you can use T-Reds, or you can use any one of these. Now what I'm gonna do is, because I need the miner, so I'm gonna go and get T-Red or this. Okay, this should be for, let's go looking for that one. Just miners. GitHub. Making sure you get your stuff from the GitHub. Red release version. And what we're gonna do is, I need it for window. I've already unlocked, so we're gonna wait for this. And like always, you maybe blah blah blah. Keep the files. Okay, so yeah, we got everything we need. Wow, we got a lot of stuff over here. Okay, that's fine. Let me go back to download. Let's compact this. Okay, here we are. We got everything we need right here. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our files. For that, you need to open your notepad. And what we're gonna do is temporarily, I'm gonna paste my wallet address right there. You can see it. Then I'm gonna go back over here. This is the simple way to do it. Then you go back over here, and you go back to the pool. Now because we get the red, what we're gonna do is we just simply we're gonna copy this only. Copy this. Then we open this. We go on the second part, and we're gonna paste this. Now over here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this back over here. Copy. And then we're gonna replace all these right here into that point over there. Repeat. And what we're gonna do is what it said working name. We're gonna remove this working name. And I'm gonna put, for example, high speed. High. Oh shit. I'll remove the thing. Sorry, my bad. What is it? So I did that right. Okay. Oh shit. Why I keep say that? Sorry for that word. Not supposed to say that. High speed mining. Okay, so we got everything set up. And next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete this right here. And we're gonna move this one up. Then we're gonna save as. Then we're gonna go to download and looking for that file. Then we're gonna put, for example, Ethereum W. Okay, Ethereum W. Then you're gonna write up BAT and then point BAT. That's what we need to do this. All right, we save it. Simple and that. We close this. Then we go back to that file right here. And we're gonna looking for that Ethereum right here. You see? Proof of work. We double click on that. Oh, I probably missed something. 1 second. All right, guys. So what happened is I had to stop the recording for a few seconds to figure out something. Two things. I have forget to put the tree. I don't think this matter. This session right here is matter, but I fixed that. And also the new T-rep mining is need this right now. So CD arroba CD dash D whatever this session is right here. That's all you got on the sample. So I have to go to this one of the sample and figure it out. And I forgot to pause on the end. So that was by me. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all these and I'm gonna put it on the description. So you're only gonna have to change your wallet address and you'll be good to mine it. If you get to the end of the video, you should be able to see that. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this and we're just gonna open this, guys. There is, we are mining and we're gonna mine for 24 hours and then I'm gonna come back with the video for you guys about how much we mine on this. And as you guys can see, I got two GPU, the 4 GB. Then that's only one is probably gonna be able to mine and doing whatever need to be done. So far, everything look good. So far, it's working. And guys, like I said, see you into the next one. Peace out, happy mining, and good luck. See you in today.